Meaning of disadvantage.
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 Disadvantage. The term disadvantage refers to a circumstance or condition that puts someone at a disadvantage or in a less favorable position compared to others. It can manifest in different forms such as economic, social, physical, psychological, or educational, among others. People who experience disadvantage often face obstacles and barriers that inhibit their ability to achieve their goals and reach their full potential. This can lead to inequalities, marginalization, and exclusion from important opportunities and resources. Therefore, addressing disadvantage is crucial for promoting social justice and creating a more equitable society.